Fiona Onasanya has lost an appeal against her conviction for perverting the course of justice, leaving open the possibility of a recall petition which could force the Peterborough MP from office. Onasanya, who was expelled from Labour after her conviction in December, was told by a panel of judges at the Royal Courts of Justice in London on Tuesday that there were no grounds to challenge the prosecution's case that she had repeatedly lied to avoid a speeding ticket. Once the court officially notifies John Bercow, the Speaker of the House, he can notify the petitions officer in the Cambridgeshire seat. A recall petition could then be opened within weeks, which would allow Onasanya's constituents to decide if a by-election should be held. Onasanya, a former practicing solicitor, represented herself at the appeal, but the loss means she could be struck off. The case was heard by 3 judges: Sir Brian Leveson, the President of the Queen's Bench Division, Mr. Justice William Davis and Mrs. Justice Chima Grubb. Leveson expressed surprise at Onasanya's decision to come to an appeal court without legal counsel or legal binders. He said he was a bit concerned that she did not have any notes. "The reason I started the conversation I am having with you in the way I did is because you take considerable issue with the evidence that 2 of the witnesses gave, which I understand you suggest that evidence was central to the case against you. First of all, we do not re-decide the evidence and cannot re-investigate the facts. You are a solicitor, you will understand that," he said. As appeal judges, they were asked to decide if the verdict was wrong in that it erred in law, or in fact, or in the exercise of its discretion, or that it was unjust because of a serious procedural or other irregularity in the proceedings.